rescued. Is it morning still? Wait, let me check. No! 1 na. Magwa 1 na ng hapon. By the way, I'm here. Dito yung setup ko. I just finished filming a video. I'm pretty sure that video will be up before this vlog. I'm not sure, but yeah. And yung maingay is yung chair. Yan yung binili namin sa Walmart. I did film again yung BB bag at saka Mask Maven. I did film that already before. After ko na film yung Get Ready With Me video ko. Kaya lang film ko siya ulit kasi I forgot to include the giveaway. So, merong giveaway yung video na yun. I will leave the link of that video below if you guys are interested. Wait, tsaka na yung lighting kasi na-off ko na. Pero, I have on the ColourPop Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Beeper. And then, the choker that I have been loving lately, you guys. This is from GearBest. Sobrang ganda niya, diba? Now, kita nyo na yung hair color ko. So, that's the new hair color right there. And then tomorrow, magpapagupit ako ng buhok. Merong friend si Dan na hairdresser. And then yan, nagpabook kami. So bukas, magpapagupit ako bukas. My gosh. Gusto niya daw kasi maikli. So, we'll see. Ayoko ng above the shoulder though. Kasi I've done that before and it was not a good one at all. I hated it. Ooh, my leg just fell asleep. Nag-iba yung color ng Beeper oh. Parang mas naging deep siya. Yun yung mga napansin ko sa ColourPop. Parang pag tumatagal, hindi naman sobrang tagal. Pero kapag medyo tumagal na siya sa lips, parang nagdi-deepen yung shade niya. Pero that's Beeper. I actually really like that. Actually, a lot of you guys requested to review Beeper. Pero nga, yung pinili ko yung darkest shade sa review. Pero yeah, this is what Beeper looks like. I did apply lip balm under yung Popo ointment ko. Tapos hindi ako naglagay ng lip liner. And yeah, this choker though. I love this choker. I'm gonna have lunch. Kasi gutom na naman ako. I will have the leftover from last night. Kasi yung niluto ko kagabi is sweet and sour meatball. And I straightened my hair today nga pala. I used the straightener na from Kingdom. Yung sinend sa akin ng GearBest. Mayroong nagtanong sa akin kung okay pa din naman siya. Yes, very okay pa rin siya. Pero again, I don't suggest na gamitin yun ng mga may makakapal ng buhok. Sa akin, it works out great kasi sobrang nipis ng buhok ko. And parang suklay lang siya pero nagsistraighten siya. Pero kapag makapal yung buhok nyo or kapag super curly ng buhok nyo and gusto nyo i-straighten yung buhok nyo, I don't think that will work. Pero yeah, I'm still using it. I'm still liking it. And I'm gonna have my lunch. Iinitan ko lang to. And may rice pa ba ako? Yes! Okay, kakain na ako. Kain! Hi guys! I'm gonna make spring roll. Yung ito. Ito na lang kasi isa natira. I'm watching Icy Rose.
Ang lakas makaano.
There.
Well,
Pinanood ko yung swap na video niya. Actually, when I was getting ready, like nagme-makeup ako, kasi yun lang yung time ako na makapanood ng video kapag nagme-makeup, kapag nagwe-wait na ma-save yung video, yung mga ganun. Wala na akong time na parang, manood ako ng video ngayon, wala. So, parang mga while waiting or may mga ganap, ganun. Anyway, nung may makeup ako, pinanood ko yung video ni Mahabi. And then, nag-swap sila nitong babaeng to. And sobra! Alam niyo naman na gusto-gusto ko pumunta ng Japan, tapos ang daming mga Japan goodies. So, nagpunta ako sa channel niya. Pinanood ko yung video niya ng swap nila ni Maha. Tapos, I decided to watch more swap videos. I'm not really into swap videos. Ayoko lang makipag-swap. Kasi ayoko yung feeling na mas marami ibibigay niya sa akin. Tapos ako, yung konti lang yung nabigay ko. You know what I mean? Kasi alam niyo naman yung mga tao sasabihin, oh my gosh, ano ba yung binigay niya? Ang tsaka-tsaka. Tapos yung isa, ang daming binigay. Ayoko lang ng mga ganun. As much as possible, parang iniwasan ko talaga yung mga swap kasi ayoko ng mga negativity, something like that. Pero anyway, gagawin ko na yung ano ba to? Parang spring roll, something like that. I'm gonna show you guys. Actually, I think I've showed you already long time ago kasi ito yung first lunch na, well, not really first, pero one of those lunches na ginawa ko kay Dan. So, long time ago, gumawa ako ng lunch na ganito. As mentioned, meron kaming isang paper roll na lang na natira. So, gagawin ko lang siya para pagdating ni Dan, meron siyang snack. Kasi gugutumin na naman yun. Nilagay ko lang dyan yung ano para ma-soften siya. So yung nilalagay ko dito is ito yung niluto ko nung Sunday. So meron siyang chicken, mushroom, capsicum, and then nag-cut na din ako ng cucumber and then carrots. Yun yung nilalagay ko dito and also spinach. So yun lang. It's done! It looks like this. Nakalimutan ko, naglalagay din pala ako ng avocado. Kaya lang meron akong isang buong avocado talaga tapos isa lang naman to. So hindi ko na lang siya nilagyan. And malaki na din naman to compared sa usual kasi yung usual niya mas maliit dito and since inubos ko lahat ng chicken, parang mas malaki siya. Pero yeah, okay lang yan. Gumagawa ako ng ganito, maliliit na ganito, 3, yun yung lunch niya every day for the past 3 days. I will go through my mask kasi bibigyan ko ng mask yung mama ni Dan. Kasi she's been into mask lately and aalis sila nung partner niya. Pupunta sila sa, hindi ko alam. Pero yeah, I think she needs like moisturizing stuff. So I'm gonna go through it and then give her a few. Hi guys! Hinintay ko si Dan. May meeting lang. Maya-maya pupunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. And while waiting, I'm playing the Monster High again. Nakapause ako. I'm at level... ano ba yun? Level 5 right now. Hindi nyo makita pero level 5 na ako. Walang magvi-video sa akin while playing, yes. I'm not sure if I can do it with one hand pero I'm trying. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya ng one hand. Ano ba yan? Hirap nito nakikita nyo yung level ko? Ay, hindi nyo makita yung level ko dito. Wait, tapusin ko to tapos makikita nyo yung level ko. Hala, I broke someone's heart again. Sorry, dalawa lang kasi yung tao ko. Kailangan ko ng maraming tao. Ang busy ng restaurant ko, charot. I broke his heart. I'm so sorry naman. Ayun. Makikita nyo na yung level ko. There, level 5 pa rin ako. Ang tagal pa. It's done. Pupunta kami sa Catalina's. It's an Asian restaurant. We've been there once. And we will go back. Restaurant, grocery. I removed my lipstick because I was using the ColourPop Ultra Matte lipstick and alam niyo naman, I reviewed the other shade and I was like, no. I'm not sure how the beeper will react though with food, with oily food, but I don't want to take the risk because we will eat at his mom's tonight and I don't want my lips to look like wah. So I just removed it. But yeah, I have on my face the Becca highlighter and then on the bridge of my nose as well. We're here, World Asian Grocery. Ito yung pinakamalaki. This is the biggest one, babe, right? So far?
Yeah, I reckon it probably is.
I reckon it is.
There's no big ones in Central Market. Probably in the suburb is one of the bigger ones.
Okay. I'm just wearing this today, by the way. I'm not wearing boots or whatever. We're here. Sauce. This is good for you, babe. Have you tried this?
What is it?
It is good. Believe me, it's good.
But what is it?
I don't really like milk, but it's good. It's not really soy milk.
Yeah.
It's good.
If you want to get it for yourself, but I don't want to get it for me. And you can't ask me to drink it because I don't drink it.
This is what we got. I will do a haul later. We're home! Pakita ko sa inyo yung nabili namin sa Asian Grocery kanina. And then, meron din kami mga dinala galing sa bahay ng mama niya. Kasi yung mama niya aalis, pupunta ng parang magbabakasyon sandali. And mawawala sila ng matagal. So, parang clear out nila yung fridge nila. So, meron kami mga dinala from there. Ito yung nakuha namin sa bahay ng mama niya. Merong ito, yung bow tie pasta kasi ginagamit ko to sa chicken alfredo. Nutella. Meron kami na to. Kumuha pa siya dun. Nakaloka. And then, ito. Cherry tomato. Ito yung mga nabili namin sa Asian Grocery. UFC banana ketchup. Sabi niya hindi na daw kami mag-grocery sa weekend kasi parang madami na daw kaming food. We'll see. Spaghetti sauce, yung sweet style. Just in case gagawa ako ng Filipino style spaghetti. I'm not sure yet, pero just in case. And then we got rice paper again para sa lunch niya. And then we got sapsap. Sapsap pala tawag nito sa sa Tagalog. It called right there, sapsap. Ito yung paborito kong dried fish eh. Ang tawag namin dito sa sa Cebu, o siguro ako lang, tawag namin dyan dangay. And then we got Kopiko na loli, 2 century tuna, yung flakes and oil, soy milk. Masarap to actually. There's one more bag! Siomai! Pork dim sum. Ganon. Malalaki yung mga siomai na yan ha. And then siya nagkuha na to. Parang cashews, ano ba tawag dito? Cashew nut candy. We got pork buns. Yummer! Mochi, right? We got my coffee. Meron siyang free 5 na ganyang flavor. Hindi ko bet yan eh. Mas gusto ko yung original. This, clover chips. And then the last one, is the Century Tuna, the flakes and oil. Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Ano nga ulit gagawin ko? Good morning, guys! Ano nga ulit gagawin ko? Nagpunta ko dito. Meron akong gagawin. Ah, yeah. I need to charge his iPod para magamit niya. He called me today when I was getting ready. Sabi niya, paki-charge ng iPod ko kasi tatakbo ako mamaya. So, asan ba yung charger? Kaya ako nandito kasi nanap yung charger. Bakit wala dito? Kakaloka. Yung charger na nabili namin, yung pink, hindi siya para sa phone niya, para to dito. Kasi sinabi ko sa hall na yun na it's for his phone. It's not. Wait. Why did I turn that on? What the heck? By the way, pupunta ako ng city today. I'm ready na. Where is that charger though? I'm gonna have some ube mochi. Is that how you pronounce it? Mochi? Hindi ko pa na-try itong ganito eh. Ooh, look at that. It looks like this. Gutom ako kasi hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Anong oras na ba? Hindi ko alam anong oras na. Siguro mga noon na ngayon. Yeah, wala akong rice and tinatamad ako magluto. Sabi ko maghintay pa ako. Tapos, so sabi ko, kakain na lang ako nitong mochi. Ito yung binili namin kahapon sa Asian store. First time ko itatry ito. So, sana magustuhan ko i-touch. Ay, nako. Ay! Ooh, look at that! Ooh. I'm not sure if I like that. Meron siyang laman sa loob, pero parang hindi ko pa siya nati-taste. I'm cooking pancit canton, you guys. Kasi hindi ako nabusog sa mochi. Mochi ba yun? Yeah! And ito yun. Yung pancit canton. Yeah, new look na pala yung nabili namin. Kasi merong nag-comment sa previous video ko. Sabi nila parang ito yung bago. Sabi ko hindi ito yung bago kasi hindi pa siya round. Kasi diba yung bagong pancit canton round na. Pero ito hindi siya round. Pero it says new look right there. Napansin ko daw na parang iba na siya kasi mas puti na yung noodles. Kasi noon mas yellow, ngayon puti na siya. Check ko muna yung schedule ng aking bus. Sir, bus. Maganda dito kasi meron talagang schedule yung bus nila. Merong isang bus paparating 8 minutes from now. I'm not gonna take that obviously. And then yung isa is 34 minutes from now. Oh, it's not even 12 yet. I told you guys na parang noon na. It's only 11:39. Maaga kasi ako nagising today. Mga 7:30 ata kami nagising. And yeah, hindi na ako natulog ulit. Can you see that? The noodles, super pale. I'm ready to go! I'm wearing this beanie that I got from Forever 21. This that I got from Dresslink. Yeah, Dresslink. This one from Eric Dress. Pants. And then I'm wearing, yeah, knee-high boots, brown. And then the bag that Dan gave me. And that's my outfit of the day. On my lips, I have ColourPop lipsticks in the shade Cami. I have Becca highlighter. Yes, itest natin yung weather sa labas. Kasi parang, it looks really nice. Pero it says 13 degrees. Oh yeah, my outfit is on point right now because it's so cold. Okay, let me leave. The last time I checked, it was 18 minutes daw. Darating yung bus ko. Char, bus ko. Inangkin ko na naman yung bus. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. Take my time. Let's turn on the alarm. And let's go. Wait, kailangan ko muna yung pento. Let's go. Oh, check ko muna yung mail. The weather looks good. It's sunny, pero sobrang lamig. The wind though. Sobrang lamig nung hampas ng wind. Char, hampas. I will take my time kasi paglabas ko, chinek ko yung bus darating 15 minutes pa. That highlight though. Hi guys, nandito ako sa Supre. I'm gonna try on these 3. Actually, na-try ko na siya. Bakit? Bakit magkapareho lang kayo? Na-try ko na to kanina. Ito, double. And then, feeling ko I can go up a size. So, I'm gonna try those and I'll show you guys. Ito itsura nung XS. Feeling ko malaki siya. Yung kanina naman, feeling ko sobrang liit. Pero medyo cropped siya, so you guys can see. We'll see. I like this color. Tsaka yung bra ko kasi parang yung lace. Kita, pero I like the color. This is extra small. Ito yung XXS nung black and white na stripes. I like it, you guys. Medyo exposed yung skin ko, pero I like it. Nandito na naman ako sa The Reject Shop. And I think I'm gonna get this. Tapos wala rin pala siya na flower. It goes with my theme. It's only $2. I like that one. Pero sana mint yung border, hindi pink. kailangan ko ng frame na para malagay ko sa background, but I don't know which one. Hintayin ko na si Dan. Siguro mga in 8 minutes pa darating yun. Maaga ako. Tapos na ako. Nakabili ako ng top. Suot ko ngayon actually. Sinuot ko siya agad. Nakakaloka. Kasi parang yung suot ko kanina parang sobrang bulky. And then, bumili din ako ng jeans from Target there.
Looks good.
Look at my hair! It's short!
And where did you go?
Hello.
What was the name? Give us some promotion at least.
Oh yeah, I went to Lush Hair.
On Unley Road?
Where is it?
Unley Road.
Unley Road?
Unley Road.
Unley Road.
Thank you, Sinead.
Yeah, thank you. It was so nice. It was very zen there. I had a massage. I had tea. It's good. You should go if you're here in Adelaide.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lush Hair.
The best.
They're moving as well.
Not-
Yeah, she's really good. Look at that! I have short hair. We're home! Grabe ang lamig! Magluluto ako ng munggo. Nandito na yung aking munggo. Prepare ko lang yung mga sahog. So, I will have chicken, spinach, tapos tomatoes. Ano ba bang sahog? Hindi ko na alam. Ano ba bang sahog ng munggo? We finished dinner. It was a little dry, the munggo. Someone asked on my Q&A, what's your favorite Filipino dish? And then that time I forgot that I cooked yung munggo. So I just said, I don't really know. But now you've tried pancit, munggo, adobo.
Adobo. What's that one with the mushrooms? Is that?
No, that's not Filipino. The pork?
Adobo is my favorite then.
Adobo?
Adobo.
Adobo is 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Yeah, pancit?
7.
7?
Seven.
Okay.
Well, that's
How
good.
about the munggo?
7.5.
Really? You like munggo better than pancit?
I do.
Oh, really?
I do, yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you guys like my hair?
Ooh, too much show?
They can see it.
No, they can't. Turn on the light, babe. We'll show them how good it looks. We need more light on.
They already saw it. Where
Yeah.
do you want me to stay?
I'll do the tour. Oh, you can't see, babe. I'll show what it is. Oh, hello. There we go. Look at that. How cool does that look?
Yeah, I like it.
I like it as well. Look at me, babe.
I can
baby.
like curl it and it's gonna be like, I don't know. I don't have a curler though. Do you like it, babe? For
Yeah,
real?
yeah, that looks good.
Yeah. His friend did it. She's really good.
Thank you, Sinead, again.
Thank you, Shamait.
Thank you, Sinead.
Anyway, I need to close the vlog. I forgot to close the last vlog, but now I'm gonna close it. He wanted it short. This is not my idea, by the way. This is his idea. This is your idea. What do you have in there? Oh, your salmon. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Do you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Good night. Say good night and goodbye na, babe.
Good night and goodbye.
Bye, guys.